so excited. It's snowing outside. See? I don't think you can see, but it is snowing. And it's starting to get cold. I'm gonna go inside, yeah. And I just wanted to make a video because, well, it's like a close to winter. It's like not exactly winter. It's November, not December. But it's freezing outside. Sorry if the light was in your eyes. It's freezing outside, guys. Literally, if I could show you, there would be snow. But I can't because I don't think you can see, it's light. I'm gonna try to show you, but I don't think you could see it, but, yeah. Yeah, literally. I haven't snowed in for ages. Yeah.